Welcome to Annotating ggplot2 visualizations in R. This is Martin Berger for Pluralsight. In this intermediate level course, we are continuing our journey through the world of ggplot2. This course is the next step after formatting ggplot2 visualization elements in R. Some plots actually need support features. A little text annotation here, some labels there, and some arrows or circles here. There are different tools that can be added to a plot to make it crystal clear what it is all about. In this course I'm going to show you the most common annotations and support tools. Mainly we're talking about text-based annotations and other features like lines, smoothers, arrows, rectangles or circles. These tools can help in drawing attention to a portion of the plot. I will also show you how formulae and labels can be added to observations. And this course also includes a module on plot legends, since this was not covered in the other ggplot2 course. Now, to fully benefit from this course, you should have familiarity with RStudio and ggplot2. This is not a beginner's course. Alright, so I really hope you use this course to fine-tune your ggplots.